Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating party smoky eye look. I thought I will do something very festive, very glamorous for the party season. I am going to start with eye makeup. I am using Maybelline Kohl Kajal. Using this as a base all over my eyelid. This is very matte and quickly dry and very pigmented. This is very good base to add smokiness to your eye makeup. I have applied all over the lid. Now I am using brush just soften up the edges. For my eye makeup, I am using Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I got this from Nykaa. It has 18 eyeshadows. I am going to start with these two eyeshadows and mixing these two colors, applying these to crease area. Once I have got nice intensity of color, I am going to move on the black eyeshadow. I am just going to wet my brush little bit so that I will get maximum color payoff and this color go all over my lid. After applying black eyeshadow, I am going back to my blending brush just to make sure my black eyeshadow is well blended with my orange eyeshadow. Next I am taking Kryolan powder glitter. I am applying this with a eye gel on my eyelid and spreading it all over my eyelid. Now blend it with blending brush. Going back to the eyeliner just to hide my sparkles. And smudge this with smudging brush. Now coming back to the face, I am applying orange concealer under the eye area to hide my dark circles. Moving on to my face, now I am using L'Oreal foundation. Now blend with this beauty blender. To contour my face, I am using Kryolan palette. I am using darkest color from this palette to add shadows to my face. I am using this under my cheekbones, along the jaw lines, little bit on the forehead, along the side of the nose as well. And make sure everything is blended nicely. Next, I am using L'Oreal concealer for highlighting certain parts, using this in a triangular shape under the eye. Also using this in the center of forehead, down the bridge of the nose, center of the chin, and right under the contour placement to give little more contrast to the contouring and highlighting. This type of cream contouring and highlighting is time consuming, in which you have to blend. Generally I won't do so, but this is a party look. I thought to show a full contouring and highlighting routine. Now it's time to set all the creamy product. I'm using Krylon loose powder. This is really fine translucent powder, really nice to add finishing touch. Now it's time to set contouring with a contouring powder. I'm using Makeup Revolution contouring powder. For my brows, I am using Kiko Brown filler in the shade of brown, number is 05. It is a gel form, so it is quite long lasting and waterproof. It stays throughout of the day as well. Now I am filling gaps in my eyebrows. Now I am cleaning the excess outcome. Next, I am taking kajal pencil and applying it halfway along my lower eyelid. Next, I am taking brown eyeshadow and applying it on my lower eyelash line. Now coming back to the face, I am using Revlon blusher. This is very soft and light brown shade. It gives really nude kind of look to the cheeks. For the highlighter, I am using MAC Soft and Gentle and adding it. And to finish off with nude lips, I am using Chambord lip color. This is really nice light brown peachy matte shade. It would really work well with medium and deep skin tone as lip color. That is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed this video and like this very glamorous party makeup. If you have any request for tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.